Morning guys, we have got up yet. Everything's a bit of a mess at the minute because we've been working. Just going to clean up a little bit, have some breakfast, walk up the Chandlers. A bit rough last night down here, must admit, very rough. I'll say going seasickness is okay this morning, so a good breakfast down in this morning and that'll be good, won't it, Gav? Good now we've got the electrics in here, to be honest. That's helped a lot. I'm going to put a bigger sink in because, truthfully, that sink ain't worth anything. This is what you call roughing it, isn't it? Rough. I suppose I could be worse. I could be leaving it and just eating up it cold. Washing up on a boat. So, I don't know.